been kept it all 100 like the number on my dash. I know these niggas hate me while my bitch trip out my past. I keep my numbers up, I hold the bar, I do not pass. I'm never switching lanes, you niggas, that's what you hate. Now I'm on my bitch and people start to know my name. Got this money on my mind, yes I say this many times. If you ain't talking money, please don't try to slow me down. Gotta go reminding you, I'm all about the dough. Forget about them hoes, cause I'm all about my folks. I need my dividends, I need this money just to show. I hope you're proud of me, I'm sipping Henny just to cope. Still y'all fucked up, babe, I really do this on my own. I really trust nobody loving me, it's not involved. Getting judged by my appearance, but it costs to be a boss. My heart is getting colder cause I took so many losses, but I'ma bounce back. Had to keep my circle small, no real niggas left.
I don't care about the hood claim, just wanna get the bag up and that'll never change. Elevation on my mind is like a replay, but I'ma keep it 100, I'm steady static, never switching lanes. I don't care about the hood claim, just wanna get the bag up and that'll never change. Elevation on my mind is like a replay, but I'ma keep it 100, I'm steady static, never switching lanes.
You already know I hold the city down. I don't sit around, moving work, flipping pounds. Blue strips on me, they think I'm crippin' now. Couple homies changed, nah, they ain't with me now. How you a friend of me, but moving like a enemy? I don't want the energy, no, I ain't got no sympathy. If it ain't making sense to me, then it don't make no sense to me. Had to cut some friends off, guess it wasn't meant to be. But I ain't tripping on the past, it's a new day. I be in my own lane, fuck what you say. I been fucking with a rock, feel like I'm Blueface. Just wanna see my fam good, that's why I move weight. See, I ain't never gave a damn about his hood fame. Just wanna do good and keep a good name. You won't understand until you understood pain. Stay true through the storm, I wish I would, yeah.
I don't care about the hood claim, just wanna get the bag up and that'll never change. Elevation on my mind is like a replay, but I'ma keep it 100, I'm steady static, never switching lanes. I don't care about the hood claim, just wanna get the bag up and that'll never change. Elevation on my mind is like a replay, but I'ma keep it 100, I'm steady static, never switching lanes.
Everybody knows my name, just because of the hood claim. More than dope game, I know for the fact. In the rap game, I keep it 100. Keep the same, I'm a G.O.D. I don't fuck with B.O.D. Making weed for the dark street, is it no dog real? Yeah, that I mean, was it covered the hood claim, is it cut dog game? And the loyalty is a man for himself, only through my quarter family. L-O-V-E, that's all I need. S-I-N-C-I-T-Y is my love for me, fuck the media. I'm Kurt Fine, I don't stress line. I stay the same, I keep it sound like home. I'm about my money, won't fuck be the name.
Yeah, I don't care about the hood claim, just wanna get the bag up and that'll never change. Elevation on my mind is like a replay, but I'ma keep it 100, I'm steady static, never switching lanes. I don't care about the hood claim, just wanna get the bag up and that'll never change. Elevation on my mind is like a replay, but I'ma keep it 100, I'm steady static, never switching lanes.
What up, K2? And drum beat, boy!
That's so much.